Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Meta AI Assist option not showing on Instagram. So let's see how to do it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Instagram app, tap on I button, tap on storage, clear data, clear cache, tap on OK, go back to previous page and tap on force stop, tap on OK, go back to home screen and go to Play Store, search here Instagram, update your Instagram if it's available for updates. Then open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on three dot icon and scroll down. Here you can see Meta AI Assist option. If your problem still remaining, then follow next step. Tap on help option and report a problem. And report problem without shaking. Include and continue. Here describe your problem and send here. I hope by this process your problem will solve successfully. Thank you everyone. Stay connected for more updates.